Hey girls, Mommy's home. You come to walk me to the door? Show me where the food is? Hi baby. Who's here? Is that Tulip? Hi girls. Somebody cleaned off the Mustang. That's good. Can't imagine that all melted. Okay, a little bit of snow, a little bit of ice. Here we go. Where's my girls? Where's my kitties? Hello? There you are. It's just you, Tulip. Where's the rest of them? Oh, somebody shoveled a walk to the garbage cans. Good, good, good. Yeah, you can't go through all this snow. We just make a little path for the cats and the people. The cats and the people. Right? The cats and the people. What you got over there? Who is that? Oh, I'm gonna drop my pizza in my bag. Oh, who's up here? Is that Momma Ghetto? You made it home! Momma Ghetto's here! We haven't seen you in 2 days. That's Momma Ghetto with the big white nose. And Baby Ghetto's in front. That's too dark, you can't see. And Tulip is the one. They walked me in. And there's your little heated houses. Hi, baby. You want some rat? I got a lot of cat food. Oh, and Baby Pepper's coming. Baby Pepper. Who just jumped on my leg? Somebody just jumped on my leg. Is that Daisy?